In this video, I will briefly share information about everything being energy. Everything is energy, and everything has an energy field. From atoms, molecules, cells, glands, organs, the various systems of the body, every human being, and so on. We are essentially fields within fields within fields. And these fields of energy influence everything around us. Your field is influencing the field of the universe, as well as the field of the person next to you, and vice versa. Everything is interconnected through these energy fields. At the most fundamental level, we are all one, despite having physical bodies. Your physical body and your 5 dominant senses create the illusion that you are separate and limited in some way. However, you are a limitless energy being. Your life and your experiences are a reflection of your energy and the level of circuitry you have within your body. You think that you are your mind, your thoughts, your beliefs, your emotions, your body, and even your personality. However, in reality, you are none of these. You are an infinite being with the quality of pure love at your core. Our energy becomes fragmented when we experience things like fear, judgment, trauma, rejection, or whenever we're exposed to something greater than we can fully comprehend. These energies create interferences in our energy field, which prevents the energy of pure love that you were made of to come all the way into the physical body. The more you integrate this fragmented energy and operate from your soulful self, which is that pure love, also known as the eternal self or the authentic self, the more personal power you have. The more present you are with yourself, within your inner world, the less dispersed your energy will be, and the fewer symptoms of dysfunction you are likely to experience. Essentially, we are each energy beings first and physical beings second. This means that the state of your energy affects your life's experiences and your physical health, not the other way around. Here are some phrases that may support and inspire you in your journey of transformation. I have the power to change the frequency of the energy that moves through my body and through my life. Healing naturally happens in all areas of my life when I allow myself to embody my soulful self. My mind unattaches from its stories and beliefs, and my life experiences become more fulfilling as I enhance my energy.